Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be talking about Google AdSense and how you can change the bank account where you get paid. So this is useful in case you have connected AdSense to YouTube, or for example you have Google AdSense on your website and you want to change the bank information where AdSense pays you. So first of all, you need to log in, and I have already done so. And then here on the left side, you can see a button called Payments. Press that and press Payments Info. This will bring up a new page where you can see a button called Manage Payment Methods. Here you can see the bank accounts that you have added to Google AdSense. You can see primary or none. So primary means that I am getting paid to this account, and none means that you do not get paid to this account, but you can set it up to be primary. You can remove existing payment methods, or you can add a new one. So here you can add a bank account or add new check details, and you can fill this information: name on bank account, IBAN number, SWIFT, BIC, and select primary method. If you do select this to be primary method, you can see right here, this payment method may need to be verified. If you make this your primary payment method, payments may be delayed. After entering your details, you may see a deposit for less than $1 in your bank account within 3 business days. These deposits are withdrawn the same day. I can't remember if you get an email, but basically you will need to come back to Google AdSense after those 3 business days and enter the exact amount that was deposited in order to verify the bank information. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and see you guys in another video.